Hey everyone, welcome to Joyful Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this refreshing, healthy, delicious mango carrot juice. Alright guys, so I have my ingredients here. Here I have 4 large carrots as well as a large mango and about 3 to 4 inches of ginger. Now I've already peeled my carrots and I thoroughly washed everything. Now I won't be peeling my ginger today since I'll be using a blender to blend everything, and I'll also be straining it. So what I did was to use a little brush to scrub away any dirt or debris that may be left behind. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up everything and start blending. Now guys, I didn't mention this earlier, but the ginger is a natural preservative as well as a great flavor enhancer. You don't necessarily need this much. Now sometimes I like my juices with a lot of ginger. I like that gingery taste, that kick that it gives. So you can adjust this according to your taste. Alright, so now that everything has been peeled and chopped, I'm gonna start blending my juice in batches. So I've added about 2 cups of water, or just enough to cover the ingredients. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and strain my first batch, and I like to use both a mesh cloth and a strainer to strain my drink because in my opinion it makes the consistency a lot smoother. Alright guys, so I'm done blending my drink, and just look how rich and delicious looking this is, guys. It's so good and good for you. Now you can have this unsweetened, or you can add a bit of sugar if you like. You can sweeten it according to your taste. I'm gonna add just a little bit of sugar. Maybe about two tablespoons. And I'm using brown sugar, as you can see. But if you have granulated sugar and you prefer to use that, you can use that as well. You can also add a bit of lime or lemon juice to give it that tang. I don't have any on hand, so I'm not gonna add any today. But whether or not you add it, I guarantee you it will be just as delicious. And there you have it, healthy, delicious, refreshing, 100% natural mango carrot juice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of my weekly uploads. You can also follow me on my socials that are linked in the description box below. Go ahead and give this recipe a try and tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see how yours turn out. It's always a pleasure having you in my kitchen, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.